and welcome to How to Create Memorable Birthday Cards. My name is Barbara Zavella, and I've been creating cards on send-out cards for 5 years, and the people who I send the cards to absolutely love the cards and keep them forever. Here's a sample of one of the cards that I've sent. This is a birthday card for a friend, and she absolutely loved it. Where I start is on Facebook. I go to the person's page and click on Photos. The photos on Facebook come up with pictures of the person first. So I start there because there'll be photos there of them that they posted and that other people have posted. So I just click on the first one, and then I scroll through the pictures looking for ones that I want to use. In the right-hand column, it tells you when the picture was posted. So I can look through their entire year and pick pictures that I think would be significant through the year. When I find one that I want to use, I right-click on it and then click on Save Image As. And then a save box comes up, and I make folders on under my documents, my pictures, birthdays for each person that I make a card for. So you need to decide where you're going to put them. I don't bother renaming them because I'm just going to upload them to send out cards, but I do save them all in the same folder to make it easy to upload them. Once you've saved all the pictures that you want to use, log in to your Send Out Cards account. If you don't have a Send Out Cards account, you can easily sign up for one at www.easypersonalcards.com. Once you've signed in, you want to click on the button that says Send a Card. And then you want to click on Create a Picture Plus 2 card. I'm not going to use one of the pre-made cards. I'm going to create my own card from scratch. When you do that, it'll ask you to choose a layout. I like the vertical templates because when people put them on their desk or mantelpiece or whatever, they stay standing up longer. And horizontal card over time will flatten out. So I like to use the vertical cards. And I'm going to choose in this instance a 2-panel card, the regular greeting card. For some people, like the one that I showed earlier, I use a 3-panel card because I have lots of pictures. You can also do a big card. I haven't done a lot of those, but you can get a lot of pictures on that large card. Let me give you an overview of what happens here in the card maker. On the left-hand side, you have 3 tabs: Pictures, Templates, and Elements. When you start out, Elements is chosen, and it's showing basic layouts. At the top, you have 2 buttons for this particular card because it's a 2-panel card. You have the cover image, which is the one that's selected right now, and next to that is the inside of the card. So you could click on that to look at the inside of the card. What I'm going to start with here is templates. And above basic layouts, it has basic templates. And under basic templates are a number of various templates used for various reasons. There's Christmas and graduation and nice to meet you and birthday and everything. So I look through it to see if there's a birthday one there that I like. I didn't find one there, so I went to, under templates, there's a lot of categories, and so I went to birthday. Under birthday, I found a template that I think I like. So I clicked on that and it put it on the page for me. Now I go over to pictures and upload more pictures, and a dialog box comes up asking me if I want to browse. So I browse photos and find the pictures that I want to upload. I go to the folder that I saved them all in, and I just do Control A to get them all and say open. And then have them all loaded into here. When I'm ready, I say upload and start. When it's finished, it will say cancel and return to project. Now all those photos are there. I click on one and drag it over and put it on the template. But I decide I don't like the way this picture looks with this template. So I find a different template, click on that, and it repositions and resizes the photo and puts it into that template for me. Now we go to the inside of the card. Here, I'm going to put a lot of pictures. So what I'm going to do is navigate to Templates, Basic Layouts, the very bottom selection under Templates, and I'm going to pick the template that has 4 pictures. And I'm going to put that on the left-hand side, and then I'm going to click on the right-hand side and click on the template again to put it on the right-hand side. Now I have a nicely organized place to drag my pictures over. So now I go to pictures and I start dragging my pictures onto the card. Now the last picture, I want to do a horizontal picture rather than a vertical picture. So I deleted one of the drag image here boxes, and I'm making the other one, I'm dragging the handle over to make it larger, and I'm going to plop the picture in there. My slides have disappeared. Oh dear. Okay, my slides disappeared. What I was showing you there was under elements, you can find things like where it says a birthday wish there. I dragged that from birthday elements and put it on the card. Then I found a background that I liked, dragged it over to the card, moved it up into the left-hand corner, and then dragged the bottom right-hand corner down to cover the page. Now, when I did that, that also covered all the pictures and everything because it was in the front. So after I've sized it properly, I hit back until everything shows up. So I kept hitting back until it was the background on the page. I then did the same thing to the right-hand side. Then you need to sign the card. So I clicked on Add Blank Text Item and inserted my signature. I actually have my own font and signature. If you don't have that, you just type your name in whatever font you like. And then I size the box very small and I move it over to the right-hand corner. There you can see my signature down there in the corner. You can then preview the card, and when you're happy with it, hit continue, and you'll go to your cart. When you get to the cart, there is something called Add a Gift to this order, where you can look through the gifts that are available and attach a gift to go with the cart. We're just going to check out without a gift. So we click on checkout. The return address comes up from my account. I don't have to type that in, it's already there. Now, if the person is in my contact manager, I can say select from contacts and choose the person from the contacts, or I can type in a new address, new person, and at the bottom where it says save as a new contact, I can choose yes. Then I go to the next step, and I choose the date that I want it to go. I can choose immediate, or I can choose a specific date. So I can pick whatever date I want to send it, and then I say confirm and go to payment. And the last step, you have to hit the send card. Now, if you did not have enough points and expense in your account to pay for the card, it would offer you the opportunity to purchase more points and expense. Points pay for the cards, expense pays for the stamps. And that's as easy as it is. Thank you so much for attending.